Time to open this MOYU WRM V9 box. Just in case there's a UV coated magnet or all-core edition of this. And here we are. Before we see the cube, which accessories does this come from? Classic MOYU screwdriver, tension tool. I have never seen this before. Another one of those. Very simple accessories, but nearly what every cube has. And now the cube itself. I don't know why MOYU created this type of case that is very bad. I don't like it. It's a very bad. Yeah, and it's a bit hard to open. I remember that I opened this once, one of these MOYU boxes. Okay, there we go. I'll put this at the side. And here's the cube. Now it's time to take this random bit of tape out. Oh my god. So I have researched about many cubes that were pretty good to my turning style, but only one could stand, which was this one. They took pretty fast. It doesn't really fit my turning style, but I did not expect the turning to be like this though. But I think it's better. So yeah, the only thing I don't really like from this is this MOYU case. I don't know why is it like that. The gun one was better. Let's see if I can do it proper, YouTube. Oh, wait, what? That was U3. Okay, that was U2, U2, U3, U2, U2, U. Oh my god. How does this turn so fast? I love this. So yeah, that's how the unboxing feels and this. Well, coming up, you'll test how fast can I stop this.